Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala. So here we will be discussing the problem of day 11, the trap. So in this problem, basic input format is as simple, the number of test cases given here and then two spaced integer representing power of Raj and power of Vedant. So you have to output the winner of game. So if you have read the question, you would know that winner of the game would be determined by the the player who generated an integer with fewer digit would win. So basically here you can see that for number 3 and 5, you can see Vedant is winning because both can just output what 5 or 3 because there's no other number which is shorter than this. So now the length of both digits are same. So in case of same, Vedant is the winner. Same here, 28 and 18. You can see again Vedant is winning. Then for the third one, you can see Raj is winning. So what should be your basic intuition? How can you do it? Let's see. So here you can see if the input is 12, then what can you do? What is the number that you can create? If it was me, it would have been 39. Why 39? Because you can see here we are taking 9, which is the biggest possible number for a digit. So if we take the biggest possible digit for every point of digit, then the digit we will obtain will be always the minimum possible digit, the digit with minimum possible length. It's just here you can see 28. So what we can see is if we take 1999, then it would be the shortest possible digit for 28, and its length would be 4. Can you think of any other digit which can be shorter than this? No, it is not possible. So how do we come to this idea? How can we know that which digit would be the shortest one? So basic idea would be to divide this number by 9. So you can get the numbers of 9 that you need. So here see, if we divide 28 by 9, you would get T as quotient, and that would mean that you have to use the number 9 three times. So here we have used the number 9 three times, and then on taking the remainder of this thing, you can see 1. So we have placed the 1 here. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 28. And that, so here you can see in result 2. For 28, we get just 1999. And for 18, wait, I show you for 18. So here you can take 18. So just see, here it is 18. 18 by 2 is equal to 2. 18 by 9, sorry. 18 by 9 is equal to 2. So that means there will be two nines. And what would be remainder of this? 0. So we don't have to take that. So the result for this would be how many nines? 2. So you can just put here 2 nines. Now see the length. So here length of this one is 2 and this one is 4. So obviously the one with lesser length is more powerful. So here second one was for Vedant, so it's the winner. Here for 14 and 24. For 14 and 24, you can see here, see, 14 by 9. How much you would get? 1. And then 14 modulo 9. It would be 5. So the number you will obtain will be 1 9 and then 5. So this would be, what is the length of this? 2. And now for 24. For 24, you can see 24 by 9. What would be the result? 2. And then 24 modulo 9. You can see what is the result of this, 6. So what would be the number formed by this? Here the quotient is 2, so we have to put 2 9 and then a 6, and this is the number 9 9 6 9 9 18 18 6 24. We get the sum of digits 24. So you can compare the lengths of both and get that the number with the sum of digits 14 has shorter. Then you can see here the Raj is the winner because he can obtain the number with shorter length. So that would be your basic approach. Now you can just use a little bit of your skills and code this and just solve the problem. Thank you for watching.